In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a side view mirror glass on a Ford Escape. It is located on the side of the vehicle. Before you remove your mirror glass, I'd like to take some tape, put it on the front part of the glass. That way when you pry the mirror off, if it does decide to shatter, the glass doesn't go in your hand. You want to push down on your mirror so it moves out on this edge. Then take an interior trim tool, pry up on the two tabs on the back side. There's one here, one there. Once you remove your glass, you have one connector. Push down on the tab here. And pull straight out. And there's your mirror glass. Before we install our mirror glass, we're going to do the same thing we did to remove it. Just add some tape, just in case it decides to break. On the back side, you're going to see your tabs on your mirror. Go in the tabs. You're going to see the tabs on the mirror housing are going to go in the tabs of the mirror glass. Before you do that, plug in your heat sensor. Line up those tabs and push straight into the housing. Once that's secure, remove your tape.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.